Hi guys, meron lang tayong pag-usapan regarding sa bagong dinisenyo ngayon na makina, which is ang timing belt or weight belt. So of course, ang weight belt kasi, kahit tinatawag ng weight belt kasi nandun ito sa loob sa engine, and then it mababasa din ito ng oil sa loob, like the timing chain, but it's the same function as the timing chain, but the only thing is this is designed like a belt, like it's not a ordinary belt, it's some kind of unique belt, no? It's a belt into tough process, but the thing is, anything that belt design has that disadvantage. Number one thing, ang belt kasi made of lang ito, rubber, although a very strong rubber, but strength combination with some kind of metallic rubber, and then magkakaroon kasi ito ng fabric, no? In the long run, panay ikot niya, in the long run magkakaroon ito ng fabric, and then yung fabric niya pupunta doon sa suction pipe or sa sump, and then hihigopin ito ng suction pipe or sa oil pump. So paghigop ng oil pump, yung fabric na itong nahuhulog doon sa pinakasam niya, and then hihigopin nga ito, and then ito ang magbara ng kanyang strainer in the long run. Padami yung fabric ng weight belt or yung sa oil pump belt, padami, and then magkukos ito ng bara. And then once mag-cause ito ng baradol sa suction pipe strainer, ang engine throw ito ng oil pressure low, or mag-appear ng sign sa dashboard like oil pressure, like Aladdin na parang takore na Aladdin. Ito po yung mga sinyalis na either ang oil pump or ang suction pipe barado or clog or dirty. So iwan ko ba kung anong naisip ng mga engineering kung bakit nila dinisenyo ito. The number one thing, I think, na di-design nila ito dahil to minimize the engine noise, no? So to minimize the engine noise, they create like belt driven engine. Instead of timing chain, they putted timing belt or weight belt. They call this weight belt, including the belt on the oil sump. So yung iba kasi ng mga design is ng oil pump is gear type, or some are chain drive, and then yung bago ngayon is belt drive, including doon sa mga Volkswagen. May mga Volkswagen na din na ang oil pump is belt drive, no? So normally pag mag-change kayo ng fan belt or timing belt, i-check nyo na rin yung kanyang oil pump belt, whether or not worn out or nagkakaroon na ito ng fabric. So you must have to change. Otherwise, kung maputol itong belt na ito, wala nang oil pressure na papasok doon sa internal parts or internal oil galleries or oil passage doon sa engine. and then magkukos ito ng early wear and tear, and most likely pag walang mag-overheat ito. Ang oil kasi guys, hindi lang ito nag-lubricate, ang function ito, hindi lang ito mag-lubricate ng mga internal parts sa engine. Din ito, parang pinaka-cooling system. Aside from the coolant, itong oil, din ito, serve as the cooling system as well. The same function with the coolant. Kaya sometimes makikita nyo ng mga bagong design na mga sasakyan ngayon is meron na silang tinatawag na oil cooler. So para it helps na mapalamig niya mabilis yung oil, no? At hindi siya like high temperature, like parang masusunog na. So merong design sa latest na meron na silang mga oil cooler. So like babalik tayo dun sa weight belt. So ito ang weight belt, pagka naputol ito, naka-design talaga ito din na papalitan. Whether you like it or not, you have to change the weight belt. Kasi pagka once the weight belt snap, there's no excuse. Whether or not this is re-engine or overhaul. And then of course takes a lot of serious amount of money when this weight belt snap. So most likely 90,000 kilometers you have to change the weight belt, or even the timing belt if you have the car design like timing belt design, then you have to change on or before 90,000 kilometers, or that is 90,000 kilometers, that is most likely like 10 years. So before 10 years you have to have the change the timing belt or the weight belt, otherwise this will create a trouble. Okay, so those are the disadvantages of weight belt or timing belt. Pupunta naman tayo dito sa timing chain. Ang timing chain is designed like long lasting, no? Long lasting. So as long as you have the regular service interval, then timing chain, it will last like forever or longer than your life. The disadvantage of the timing chain is pagka ma-worn out na yung timing chain, mag-create ito ng like rattling sounds, like maingay talaga ang timing chain, lalo na pagka hindi nyo na alaga ng langis, no, or oil. So it will create noise. So ang symptoms ng timing chain before it will create like a problem or going to snap, like it will create sounds especially when you start up. During the first start up on the engine, it will create noise, and then once the oil start to lubricate, then the noise will be gone. And those are the early symptoms that you have to change the timing chain. Or like when the timing chain like straights, it's normally it's not like straight, like it's only the length that is worn out, no, the length worn out, and then it will create like slack or a gap once the length of the timing chain is like worn out. So very stretch, parang na-stretch na nga. So that is the disadvantage of timing chain. And then babalik tayo doon sa wheat belt. Wheat belt also is have the particular kind of special oil. Like most likely wheat belt can accommodate 5W30. I don't know some other brand of oil, but as far as I know, wheat belt can also take like 5W30 oil, like we are generally used here in Europe country, like a cold area. So 5W30 is the prescribed one, and if you have a doubt, just consult your owner's manual, car owner's manual, to just to confirm. But this is what I'm saying, na ugaliin nyo magpalit ng timing belt or weight belt, whatever, on or before 90,000 kilometers. 90,000 kilometers, that is 9 years, most likely 9 years, kung palagi nyo ginagamit yung sasakyan. And then you have the oil regular interval service, so maiwasan yung mga problema ng yung sasakyan. Kasi pagka ma-delay or hindi kayo nag-oil change, yung oil magkaroon ito ng sludge, and then it will block down, or it will clog down the oil passage or the oil galleries, and there is no lubrication on the internal parts, and that will cause wear and tear, and then it will cause more trouble. So ugaliing mag oil change. Thank you, bye bye.